Hey, it's Katie with WTI. I am not a super techie person, so something like a power tower is not something I would normally get excited about, but I'm really excited about this Laganine power tower. It has so much to offer, and it has really helped to streamline our basement setup. First of all, let's start with this changing LED light option. We have a super dark basement, so keeping this behind the TV makes it so it's easier to get upstairs without tripping and falling, and it just is a fun ambiance. If you don't like the light, then you can turn it off, and you can also change it to just having a white light. This has 15 outlets on it. We currently only have 6 things plugged into it, but I know that it has the capacity to hold so much more. What's also really unique about this power tower is that it has 6 USB ports. 4 of them are regular charging and 2 of them are for lightning fast. So not only can you keep your TV and video games and other things charging and going, but also your phone and your tablet. I find that this really is impressive. We all are on devices these days. Now we can just plug it into one and have one of these nice power towers around with fun little party lights on top. That's just my point of view.